shitters. This is the Shitters Watch channel. This is Mike Epp here, and I'm just here to tell you guys, welcome. There it is, guys, the Casio diver on wrist. Very cool. We've got the NATO strap, rocking the NATO strap with the white stripe, white racing stripes. It's just a nice little watch. I like my little Casio diver. I've been looking for this for a while now. It's a couple weeks I've been looking for this, and suddenly it just appears at the jewelry store, and I'm like, it's right there. It's the only one there. It's got a nice little sheen to it. Got the black bezel. It's just nice. I like it. So I'm gonna, while I have it here and I'm doing a little video on it, I'm gonna rotate that bezel and just kind of see how that is. Oh yeah, it's nice. Nice. You guys, I'm liking it. So this is just a little treat for myself I got today. Not too expensive. I just thought I'd pick one up. It's going to be in my collection. Casio diver. This is the Shitter Watch channel. Like and subscribe to see more shitters.